Hey you guys, God bless all of you. Welcome back to my forge. Man, look at the weather behind me this morning. It's a balmy 35 degrees, spitting snow. There's about an inch of it out here. It's really wet, sticky snow. In this video, you guys, I thought I'd show you guys how to forge yourself a flint striker knife. These knives like this, guys, were sold during the fur trade industry in the 1800s, and I really like this type of a knife. So it's going to be a piece of an old file, a broken file. It's going to have a 3-inch blade on it and a handle that comes back and wraps around. I think maybe I've made one of these before on video, but I'm going to make another one so that we understand how to do it and show you that you can take an old file and make you a nice little flint striker and a patch knife out of it. You guys, I've made several of these knives with and made it this thin all the way around, but you don't get very much grip on a knife like that when it's really thin all the way around. So I decided to leave this one wider and see how it works out. Alright you guys, the carbon steel is annealed right now, so let's take it back around to the forge and let's harden it. And that magnet don't stick to that knife anymore. We're going to bring it out and we're going to put it in oil. The most critical part about making any tool, you guys, is getting the hardness correct, getting the temper right. Alright guys, to test it, just bring it out and see if a file skates across it without cutting it. And it does. So that should be hardened. Alright you guys, let's test it out here. Looks to me like that's going to work pretty good. Okay guys, let's see if we can catch a spark with it on this char cloth. So there's us a fire if we want one. Okay guys, this goes along pretty good with my traditional tomahawk. Patch knife slash flint striker. Guys, this thing ain't more than 6 inches long. From here to here. See that? Slice. Make sparks. Tell you what, that sucker throws some sparks too. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Once again, God bless you. Have yourself a great day.